All right, my name is CJ, and I am going to walk you through how to create your own custom module or module template that you can reuse over and over and over on the website. So first of all, obviously make sure you're logged into your website and navigate to, it could be a blank page actually. I'm going to take this section here, this work with this section, and actually create a template out of that, create a saved module out of that I can reuse elsewhere. So basically we have this already set up and it's ready to go. This is exactly what I want to put on other pages. So I'm just going to come over here and go to the settings, and then I'm going to hit save as. So now I'll give it a name. Let's see, CTAs for call to action. So there's two things we have to put. We have to put a name, and we have to choose whether or not this is global. I am going to make this global, and I'll show you what that means. Save. Now, through the magic of the internet, we have created a saved module. You can see that this now, instead of being gray or blue, it is yellow. So basically, I can just get rid of it. And I know you just freaked out. You're like, whoa, you got rid of it. Why? Let me show you why. So I'm going to come back over here to the plus icon, and I'm going to find, go to the saved section. And you'll see down here at the bottom, I have CTAs. And I can drag that and drop it. And now, wherever I want to put that section, it'll be exactly the same. So let me show you as an example. Go ahead, hit save. Publish on this page, and let's say I wanted to move this to our articles layout. So I wanted it always at the bottom of our articles layout, or even a post. It doesn't really matter. Actually, let's do it in a post. So let's go to a post, and then I'm going to edit the singular post. So basically I want it to appear after all the comments and everything. So I'm just going to take this, come over to the plus icon, switch to the saved tab, and now it reorganized by alphabetical order. We'll grab the CTAs and throw them right there. Perfect. That's exactly what I wanted. Now I'm just going to hit done and publish. And now, there we go. It's at the bottom of that article. Now, because you already know how to do this, you're going to know that this is going to be at the bottom of every article. And just to prove that to you, I'm going to click on this article and scroll down and see there it is. So now let's say that you needed to make a change, you needed to make an update. This is how you do that. You go to a page that has that module on it, click the builder. Oh, sorry. Click the single post. Sorry, I forgot where I was for a second. And then scroll down to it. And again, you know it's global because it's got a yellow highlight around it. So I'm going to click it, and then it actually opens up separately, and it's on its page by itself, basically, just a header and a footer. And you can make changes to it. I could move things around. I could do whatever I wanted to do. Make a change. In fact, let's see. I'm just going to change this from saying not mobile friendly. I can't even say it. Not mobile friendly to mobile unfriendly. Ooh, that seems a little nastier. All right, hit save, and you can see it's updated here. I'm going to hit done, publish, and now you can see it updated on this page. That's not a big surprise. But let's go ahead and hit done and publish on this post, singular post. We'll scroll down and we see that it says mobile unfriendly. But now I'm going to go back to the home page where we started that has that same global module on there. And there it is. So if you update it in that saved global module, it changes everywhere on your site. This is really, really helpful for if you use a lot of call to actions. One, you don't have to build them over and over and over, but once you place them and if you need to modify them, then you can do that one time and it changes everywhere. So I know there's a really short tutorial, But if you have any questions, shoot us an email to support@infini.systems or give us a call at 833-INFINI3.